Today, I'm going to give you 3 amazing Claude prompts you can use for SEO, traffic, rank, backlinks, all of the things that you probably want to get out of your business or for a client's business. Here are some websites we're using these prompts and this strategy on. You can see their AI citations are growing, traffic is growing, backlinks are strong, 172 backlinks and 16,000 in traffic, valued at $1,600. Here's another one. This one has kind of exploded out of nowhere. Lots of AI citations. This is where you really need to focus on now, so you're not getting filtered out of traffic. Tons of backlinks, over 40,000, 42.8 thousand in traffic. And then here's this one. You can see their AI citations are killing it. They have almost 12,000 backlinks and almost 30,000 in traffic. So these websites are doing all the right things in terms of ranking, backlinks, AI citations, and ranking. So let's talk about how to do it for your business. So what do you need to be able to implement this strategy? Well, there's 3 things that you really need that are the main components to this. So as an SEO person using Claude, the first thing you need is to be able to audit the website to make sure there's no glaring issues that need to be fixed that are killing the SEO. The next thing is to be able to produce SEO-optimized content. And the third thing is to be able to produce lots of backlinks. All 3 of these will skyrocket your rank and get you a ton more traffic and also get you cited in AI overviews a lot more. This is stealing a ton of traffic now, so we got to focus on this. This is the future of search, and we got to focus on getting seen with AI citations and AI overviews in how we're producing our content. So first and foremost is the audit. So we can use Claude to audit our entire website to make sure that there's no glaring issues. If you type prompt below, I'll share this with you, or you just go to arvow.com/prompts and you can get the prompts that I'm talking about today. So this is a technical SEO prompt. So all we do is, and this is pretty substantial, but this will audit an entire website to make sure that there's crawlability, make sure that there's no glaring issues. So this will audit your website, make sure there's no glaring issues. So we just simply copy this and we paste this into Claude just to kind of give you an example of what this looks like. And we hit enter. It's going to ask us for a URL to be able to audit. So we can find some random URL to give it, just so you guys can see how this plays out. Here's like Miami Chiropractor. I've used this before. No affiliation with this company. Local businesses are pretty good ones to kind of give as an example. So I'm just going to give it the website and then it can start to do its audit. All right, and the audit is complete. So we can kind of see technical SEO. We can see it gives us an overview, crawlability, indexability, security, URL structure, mobile, structured data. Then here are the critical issues that we need to go in and make sure we fixed. Then high priority issues, these should be next. Then medium to low, and then it gives us the top 3 actions. So it's very simplified, very actionable, very specific. So that's a nice thing about it. And then what you can do, if you want, you can just type in, save this as a skill, and then you can save it as a skill and call it whatever you want. And then you can just do / whatever the skill is and just run it. Do not have to copy it and paste it, especially if you're doing this for multiple different websites. So that worked really, really well. So you can make some huge strides right away with doing the audit. The next is going to be the content strategy. So we want to be able to produce high quality SEO content. So you can do this as well. I have a prompt in here for that, which is going to be the autonomous content and distribution engine. So this is really, really good. This allows you to be able to analyze your competition, from there find the gaps and weaknesses, and then also find opportunities. And then basically it's going to give you a list of content, keywords, and titles to use for content to capitalize on your competition. So this is a really, really good one. let me go into it and show you a little bit more. Here's an example. So it's going to ask you, you would just copy and paste this. Again, it's in arvow.com/prompts. It's going to ask you for your business context. And then it's going to do a competitive and opportunity. So content gaps, keyword clusters, ranking opportunities. And then it's going to generate prioritized list of SEO optimized blog titles, primary keywords, supporting keywords. And then all titles must be click-worthy, non-clickbait. Then, as a bonus, it does have an integration with Arvow's API if you want it, and then also social media if you want it. But on the surface, it'll create your blog titles and keywords. Then, if you want to take it a step further, you can have Claude create the actual blogs. You can have it create the content. Keep in mind that it's not going to have the back-end SEO structure that Google's looking for and that AIs are looking for. So it's going to be a little bit more manual if you do it that way, but you're at least going to be able to use this to get a head start on what content you should produce. And then you can save this as a skill as if you want. But if you turn this into the full autonomous content engine, this is where this becomes really, really powerful, because you can, again, connect it to Arvow to use their brain and structure to create the blogs, and then also connect it with Blotato to create social media content from your blogs. It'll basically pull your RSS feed and then create social media content from your SEO-optimized RSS feed. So this is next level. But using Arvow's API, so you have two options if you're doing this. Once you're setting it up, it'll ask you for Arvow's API. You can go into integrations and give it Arvow's API to do it. This is the upgraded plan. If you don't want to use the API, you can still use the output of this prompt, because it's going to give you the blog titles and keywords. So then you can just go into Arvow and just be able to create this manually with the SEO. So you can give it the keyword, give it the title, and then you can add it as an input, and then it'll go right here as an input, and then you can just generate the article. The nice thing about this is the fact that you can go in here and customize this any way you want. You can add more keywords. You can give it your brand voice. You can give it your website knowledge base, so it's generating the content tailored to your brand. You can structure it. You can give it your call to action link. It'll link to your other pages. So it'll use your sitemap, link the pages together. It'll add your own images, or it'll generate them for you, your own video, or it'll do a relevant YouTube video. So really, really awesome. And then it creates blogs that are already SEO optimized. You're not going to have to do any of the back end, because it automatically does it for you. So you can see here, it automatically does the alt text, H2s, H3s, internal linking, external linking. So all this stuff is already optimized. So really, really cool. And then you can just publish this to your integration. You could set this up as an auto blog as well, because I can go in here, create a feed for a keyword or a news feed or an RSS feed or a YouTube channel. Create that feed and then go in here and set up the auto blog, this is next level. So basically you can do full automation mode. It'll pull the feed, generate, and publish. Really, really cool. But again, if you connect this, you can also connect it to Blotato's API. So I can go into Blotato settings and then give it the Blotato API key. And then basically it'll create social media posts that are already SEO optimized, and then publish them and schedule them, because you can go in here and connect any of your social media channels. Blotato is a fantastic tool, and their API is really, really cool. So if we go in here, you can kind of see, here's like my calendar of scheduled posts. These were all done and scheduled through this workflow for a couple of different clients. So that works fantastic. So the Arvow links below, the Blotato links below. So that's number 2, is the full autonomous content engine. Again, just put this prompt in. It'll ask you the questions. It'll ask you for those API keys if you want it, or if you don't have to provide it, but it's still going to give you that content strategy, which is really, really good. The last part is backlinks. So we have a amazing prompt file for backlinks as well, right here. So all you have to do is download this MD file and copy and paste it, drag and drop it into Claude, and create a skill around it. But this is an amazing one that you can use. So basically what we want to do here is, and I already have this created, but it's called Backlinks Research. And we'll pop this open so you guys can kind of see it. But basically what this is going to do, there's two workflows built in here. So the first is doing backlink research, which is going to be via guest posts. So it's going to run this workflow. It's going to find, according to your niche or website, all the places that you can guest post for to get backlinks. So that's really, really awesome. So it's going to give you a list, and it's going to rank them via the highest quality to lowest quality. So it'll give you that right away. And then it's going to give you that list that then you can reach out to. The other thing is you can also connect this with Gmail as a connector, and then have it write a draft post to these people as well. So I'm not going to go into all that, but you can kind of add the workflow. It'll create a draft post in Gmail, and then you just go in there and send them out. It won't send them for you for obvious reasons. But so the workflow number 2 is find competitor backlinks. So you can run this, and it'll go out, see all your competition, and then find where they're getting backlinks, because chances are if they have backlinks, you can get backlinks as well. So in order to run this, this works really, really awesome. So we're just going to do the Miami one and just include the link. And then it's probably going to ask you which workflow it's going to run, or it may just do the first one first. And then they're very similar. Obviously conceptually they're a little bit different, but the output's very similar as far as like what it does. So we're going to run it, and I'm going to show you this once it runs it. All right, here we go. Here's the list so it did the guest post ones. And again, the competitor one's going to look very similar to this. So it gives you a score. It looks up just a bunch of factors like how old the website is, the structure, all the things. So that's how it scores this. Gives the domain, gives the guest post URL, notes, and then the source query. So it lists these. So all these are really good guest post opportunities, and it provides the link to be able to do that. And again, you could take this a step further and be like, hey, I want to connect my Gmail, and I want you to find the email addresses for the guest posts and create the draft emails in Gmail. So that works really, really cool. That's kind of taking this to the next level if that's what you want to be able to do. But yeah, then I could run this for, if I wanted to run the competitor one, I'd be like, hey, okay, run the competitor workflow B, and then it'll do the same thing. It'll spit out this graph of guest post opportunities for me. And that's a numbers game. That's a really good place to start. But those are the 3 things that you need. Now, you can automate most of this. Like I said, with the content, you can automate that workflow if you're using Arvow to create amazing articles. You can automate the backlinks more too. You can do that strategy for backlinks, and that's a really good place to start. But you can also work in a full automation backlink strategy. If you already have Arvow, you can do the automatic backlinks. So this is really cool because all the users that do this, if you want to enter in here, you just put your email and you'll get entered in the backlink pool. But there's thousands and thousands of users that are in this pool from Arvow. So when any one of these users creates a piece of SEO content, it goes, looks at the pool, finds relevant backlinks, and then puts them as an external link in the content. So they automatically get those backlinks. Also, when you create content, it's doing the same thing, finding the links, but your content is also being found and featured too. So most companies are getting like 1 to 5 backlinks per day using this, completely automated. So that's really, really awesome. The other thing that you can do too is the audit, the website audit. You can use that Claude prompt, which works really good. You can also use a tool in Arvow called Site Optimizer. So this will do something very similar. It'll look at all these different factors. It'll like meta description, meta titles, image alt text, find stuff that's missing or needs improved. It provides what's there. It shows you the suggested change, and then it also tells you why to make that change, and then it gives you the ability to apply that change. You can also mass do this. So I can select this box, it'll select all these, and you can apply all these changes at once. So literally in a couple of clicks, you can audit and improve your entire website, which is really awesome. So that works really good. The other thing that this has kind of as a bonus, you can monitor your LLM brand performance. So basically you submit your website, it'll give you prompts that people are searching for to find you in LLMs, and then it'll show you your visibility with those prompts and sentiment, or positive, negative, visibility, what's your score. The cool thing is once you have these, you can create content for that prompt. So you can go to all articles, create content to try and get visibility up with those prompts. You can also add in your own prompts to track it. and then you can click into each one, see across ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, kind of where you're standing on each. So very, very useful. Finally, the other thing that you have in here is a site explorer, so you can monitor you or someone else's site, see their traffic, analytics, their top pages, where their traffic's coming from. So super, super helpful to be able to see this insight from yourself or other competition. But those are the three workflows. You can use Claude and or Arvow to drastically improve your site or client sites so you can get these kind of results. Those are the three main things that are working, that if you keep hammering that nail and keep focusing on just those three things, you're going to see a ton more traffic, a ton more rank, and because there's so much to benefit, so much to gain from these three things together in tandem. So hopefully it helps you guys out. If you want the prompts, go to arvow.com/prompts or type prompt below and I'll send you the link there. All the other links to the other tools, Arvow and Blotato, are below as well. Check out this other video for SEO help. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.